I don't know what to say. When I started this channel, I never expected it to go anywhere. I never expected to get anything from it. I never even expected anybody to watch the videos, but clearly people do. So I don't know if you watch it for me or for the car or just because you like to know how to do things, but I don't know, I'm just speechless. Like, it's crazy to think that people want to watch something that I've created. I enjoy creating the content for people to watch. I love getting your guys' feedback. Yeah, it's just mind blowing, right? Really, really mind blowing. Obviously, I started this channel because when I first got the VXR, there wasn't really any videos on how-tos like changing your air filter. I know it's a simple job, but you know, if you're like me, you like to look at something and have a reference to make sure you're doing it properly. There wasn't anything out there for it, so I started doing these videos. I did them a bit ago. I just left them playing, left them on there for people to watch, and then I came back to YouTube because obviously I had some issues. I was quite ill, so I had to leave YouTube for a bit. So I left them playing. Obviously, I come back, and a lot of those was on like 10,000, and I was like, hang on a minute, people are actually watching videos. And I remember when I first posted the video, my first ever video, which was the fitting a aftermarket air filter to the Corsa VXR. I remember when it got to about 100 views, and I was like quite excited the fact that people was actually wanting to watch my videos. And then the comments started coming in, etc. And you know, I quite enjoyed it. I did quite enjoy it, and I do enjoy it to this day. There's a lot more videos, a lot more views that you guys interact with, and yeah, it's just mind blowing. Like, obviously, the amount of effort that I put into something, and I'm seeing rewards from you guys. You guys are the ones that's made me hit the goals. You're the ones that's made these stickers. You're the one that makes me want to keep pushing my boundaries. People ask me why I've got a gold Corsa. Why not? I can say that I'm the first person to have a chrome gold Corsa. Yeah, it's a Corsa, but just because it's a Corsa doesn't mean that it can't be gold. It can't be any colour. You can do whatever you want. Car enthusiasts, we like to make things different. If it was all the same, we would just leave our cars standard. So what is the point in modifying cars if people are just going to judge each other on stuff? You know, I like to see everything. I might think something doesn't look good, but I don't go around saying stuff about my opinion on it. You know, it's about people's personal preference, and it's good to see people doing completely different things. But yeah, I just don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. But thank you guys so much. Honestly, it means everything to me. I would love to do this full time. I would love to dedicate my time to you. I try and record as much videos as I can ahead of time, and I obviously have a schedule for things uploading. I am trying to upload every Friday minimum. If I have something to put in between, it will be Monday or Tuesday around 4 o'clock. So yeah, I just again, I'm mind blown. I'm absolutely mind blown about people watching my videos and such and subscribing. That sounds nice. M4. But yeah, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your likes and comments. All that sort of stuff helps me out massively. It lets me know what you guys think. I put the daily driving video up. That's gone up to 22,000 views in about 2 weeks, which is insane. And it's still rising now. So obviously, clearly you guys like that sort of stuff. I do have a couple more of them, which I have recorded. I'm going to do some more public reactions. There is going to be some more modding videos, some more performance mods, because that's what I'm looking now. The car is looking visually how I want it to look. You will obviously see a video of the Corsa finished when it's all chrome gold. I'm just waiting on the wrap for that at the minute. So yeah, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you all sincerely very much. I sincerely appreciate it, and with your guys' help, I am where I am. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a massive YouTuber, but I feel like I am because of you guys' support. Yeah, thank you very much. I sincerely appreciate that. So, what's going to happen? What to expect? Future. Like I said, performance upgrades. I am thinking of a new wrap. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have already seen a sample I put up. So these are a few examples I've got. A matte chrome blue. A matte teal, like turquoise. A matte metallic green. That's a little bit different. And also a matte chrome satin gold. That is actually quite really nice. It's very bright. So yeah, that's some sort of stuff. Obviously, I am looking into getting another wrap. The gold isn't going to be here forever. 6 months, maybe a year, something like that, and I will switch it up. I am looking ahead of time, so I can buy the wrap and store it for when I want it, so I can change it like that myself. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. There's going to be a lot more performance mods as well, like I said, in the future. There's going to be a lot of things on Jack's car. I am looking at getting another project car for the channel, whether that be something like a ST Mach 6 or a 182 Clio. There is also another series that me and Jack are wanting to do together. It's like a little series. You'll see that hopefully future. So yeah, giveaway. Okay, so I am going to give away some H7 aux beam lights for the first person picked in the raffle. Second, I'm going to give away this picture, which Valentine did. He's an awesome car drawer. There's only one of these drawings, so I'm going to give that away for second place. And also third place, you will just receive some stickers, one of each, which is on the screen now as well. If you don't win, you can get these from a shop, link in description. But also first and second place will also receive these stickers as well, so you'll get one of each as well. Way to enter: like, comment, share this video, follow me on Instagram, and I'll do another video, obviously picking the winner. I'll probably use a auto generator again like I did on the previous one, but I might record it this time and let you guys see it firsthand, so you can see the winners as I see it. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Thank you guys so much for your support. Honestly, it means the world to me. Like, it really does. It means everything to me. I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.